This week we're looking at a number of can't-miss kitchen tricks, and we're in the kitchen of Lisa Wages. She and her husband Carl did some very innovative things in their kitchen to do a little upgrading and to solve a few problems. What are some of the things that you did in the kitchen that worked out really well for you guys?
Well, one of the things we did was put this granite insert in, because I do a lot of baking, and it's nice to take hot stuff off and put it right on the granite and use it that way, and it blends in with the rest of the ceramic tile in the kitchen.
Now, did you guys also do the ceramic backsplash and the rest of the counter?
We did. We laid the tile ourselves.
Well, this worked out pretty good, though. It's a nice little accent, but also very functional with all that baking that you
Right.
did. So, perfect, perfect. Now, I also understand you had an innovative way to handle a few extra holes you had in your ceiling.
Yeah, we did. We, just to come up with some kind of unique idea, we put these wooden plates, kind of like a medallion, I guess, to cover up some flaws in the ceiling. And this one over here, there was a light that had a swag and it was off-centered, so to avoid fixing the hole in the drywall, we just put up our wooden plate.
Boy, that's not an easy task at all when you have the popcorn ceilings to try to repair just a small hole here and there, so that's a great idea.